Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, you know that this is a related items and they're actually hard coded still. So, I'm just gonna make them not hard coded but real. They will be come from the items, the actual items. And right now there are three items only. So, I'm gonna add another item and then I'll just guide you what will happen here. So, just go to insert one and type the images slash items slash item 3 dot jpg, and that is best, or I think best summer shoes, whatever. And go to the description again. I just need to go there and I'm just gonna copy all and paste here. Now just update that the best ever summer shoes will shine yourself in sun, whatever, blah blah. Made of oh, it can't be made of sun, made of metal, by the way. So remove that line, which is actually not a right thing. And here it's beautiful, it's awesome, something to be changed. And go to the item cat, and exactly their shoes category is shoe only, not shoes. Or yes, shoes is done. Quantity we have is 78 right now. The cost is 10 or 14767, whatever I just type here. The price is 1590. I'm just giving the discount of 50. Just click on go button and click on browse, and now I'm just gonna go there. But before that, I'm just gonna add the new category. So add the category now. Here, insert the category of shoe. Exactly, we need a category. This is really important. The slug is shoes, not shoe only. Click on go button. Click on the refresh button, and now you will see a new category. Click on the shoes. So you will see the shoes here, best summer shoes. Click on home, so you will see 4 items here. Come on, give me the, oh, we just didn't create the home button yet, which is really simple. Okay, no, what is happening? Okay, fine. Now I'm just gonna go to the header, and here just removing that and making this index.php simple. You just don't need to send any variable here with the home. So refresh that and just click on the home button. So now you're in the home page, and you can see that the beautiful watch, the main wear, the best summer shoes. When I just click on this best summer shoes, you can see that the best summer shoes here, and the description. Now it's fine because we have 4 items, so now I can work on this related post. I'm going to the item.php, and then here go down, and I'm just gonna delete all them, only one will be left here. Remove them, that one as well. Yep, I've removed. And now just need to open the PHP SQL, select all from MYS, sorry, select all from not the MySQL, from the items, exactly from the items I'm gonna select. I'll make the limitations here as well. The run, I'm making this rel, means the related SQL, related run equal to, oh, not like that, the MySQLi query. That's awesome. The rel, first the CONN rel run rel SQL then go down and the while rel rows equal to mysqli fetch a sock, and here the rel run save, and I just need to go there and the echo paste here, and just add some, remove the double quotes, remove that double quotes and make them single quote. This is necessary. The work is going really cool. We just need to be curious about this, the conversion for the PHP. Otherwise they are good, we can use the double quotes, but when we're just converting them in a PHP way, so we have to use this way. In this way, all them, yes, that one as well. Here, this is lost probably, yeah, this is lost. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now you will see the whole items has been selected here. Refresh that again. Oh, I see, these are 4 items, but exactly we didn't give them the names. I'm removing that. This is not the product one anymore. From rel rows, the related rows, this is item image, save, and now this one is coming from rel rows as well. Rel rows item title, and then this one is actually the cutted price. The rel rows spelling item cost, oh sorry, not the cost, the price. And now for the discounted price, we have to do something here. The rel rows, wait for a while, item price minus rel rows item discount. This is the item discount, which actually has the discount value. I'm just going there, you can see that item discount. This is pretty fine. Go to the notepad back, wait for a while. Yeah, I'm just going to the notepad, and here discounted price. This is awesome. Copy the discounted price, paste here, save, go to the browser, go there and refresh that. The correct thing, but actually this is not the correct thing. If we add the 5th item, so it will show the 5th item as well. So I'm gonna show you the limitation, how we can add the limit here. So how I'm adding the limitation here, I'm just going to add the limit 3, because this is the the MySQL element, the query element. So I'm just making this capital. Let's go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm only gonna get the 3 items, you can see. Now before the limitation, I'm adding another thing, order by. Did you remember the order by? We can make the orders like the descendant order or ascending order, but here if you just use the function of rand, okay. Now it will be ordered by random, means 357 758 392 whatever. It will be rendered, the rows will be rendered differently. Refresh the page, you will see different posts here. As you can see, different post every time. This is the thing, different post every time. Whenever we just remember the page, you can see that. Okay, you cannot see the shoe post here. Refresh that. Now still not shoe post again. Now the shoe post and one of the watch is not there. Now if I just allow it to 4, then okay, it will only show the 4 posts. However, you put the 400 post or whatever, and always you choose some related items which are actually selected here randomly. Refresh that, you will see that the sorting will be changed. Refresh that back. Now you can see the sorting has been changed. It means it's working actually. So now I think you just understood about the related post perfectly, but one thing that here we have to send the URL. I'm just talking about this URL. Okay, it's going to the product.php, which is actually not found. You know that. Go to the notepad, and I'm just making it item.php and the question mark. I need to send some more things. I'm just going to the, to the, where is the item.php, the index.php. Here in the category there is a URL. I'm going to the index.php, and there is a URL, the item title and the item ID. We just need to send both of them. The item title is actually a little typical. I'm just gonna go there. Item ID first. I'm sending this time the item ID first, and what I'm sending, the rel raw ID, I'm picking the item's ID. Item ID spelling should be, in fact, the spelling must be clear, because these variable, the item ID is actually created on the page where we are just sending on the same page basically. By clicking there, we are just actually coming back to the item ID with the new item. So item ID is actually already created, so don't forget that. And put the ensign, the asterisk sign, and the item title equal to the value for the item title we have to make again. I'm going there, pressing enter, and the item title equal to, now, str replace, replace. And here, from where we're just getting the item title, from the rel raws item title. But actually what I just want, and why we just created this str replace, because instead of the space I just want to put the hyphen. This is actually perfect. And here, item title, save. This is actually perfect. Go to the browser and refresh that, and just click on any item. For example, menswear glasses. This time this is on the shoe, so now just click on the menswear glasses. You can see that we are just on the menswear glasses. And now if you just click on the dark black watch, we are on the dark black watch. But something more I just want to do, because we are in the item.php page, so you can see that there is a product detail. It shouldn't be the product detail. Or why not, I'll just handle all the titles, because if you just click on the watch, I'm just getting simple online shopping. If you just click on the home, so online shopping. So I'm just gonna manage the titles later on. Okay, all the titles in a one class. Stay tuned and goodbye.